Hi, this is Ranjan Goenka. In this video, I will be talking to you about the TDS section 194C. Deduction of TDS under section 194C is probably the most popular among all the sections. This is basically for payments made to contractors and subcontractors. Here, there is a dual rate of tax. Probably one of the very few sections where you have a dual rate. When you're making payment to an individual or an HUF, the tax is 1%. Whereas if you're making payments to all other entities, it could be companies, partnership firms, could be trusts, the deduction is 2%. One thing more I would like to add over here is there is a special provision for no tax deduction when you make payment to transporters. Transporters also is a contractor or a subcontractor. In case the transporter furnishes you the PAN number of his entity and he owns less than 10 trucks or 10 transporting vehicles, he is eligible for zero deduction here. So there is certain formalities that needs to be completed in terms of paperwork between the transporter and the tax deductor. Once this is done, this privilege is given to the transporter that for the payments made to him, there will be no deduction under section 194C. The threshold limit for section 194C is rupees 1 lakh. The threshold implies that for a particular entity, if the payment is limited to 1 lakh during the course of the year, there is no need to deduct any TDS. But in case it exceeds the amount, for the entire amount, the TDS has to be taken care of. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for your time.